hear from you again. Never thought I'd see your name light on my phone, but here we are. I was doing my best to move on, telling myself that you were gone. Days turn into months somehow, then your name came flashing up just now. Tried to call but I couldn't get through, sent an SMS saying I miss you. Even sent a please call me up too, praying one day they make it to you. I stared at the screen for a while, then I couldn't help but smile. Funny how one little thing can make your whole heart sing. A broken heart. There were moments I miss your laugh, moments I miss what we had. I tried to act like I was fine, tried to leave it all behind, but every now and then I see a little piece of you in me, oh baby. Sometimes hearts need time to mend. Sometimes the road gets a little rough, but love can find its way again. After all the tears we cried, after all the sleepless nights, after all the doors we closed, look at us, look at us, look at us now. What about we be talking again? Way back tonight, love found its way. Love found its way. Guess who got unblocked tonight? Maybe love found its way back tonight.